Signing up for summer reading is easy. Go to librarypoint.org/summer and click on Register, Log In.
Sign up for summer reading.
This takes you to Read Squared, the library's summer reading site. If you participated in summer reading last year, you can use the same username and password. Remember your username but forgot your password? You can get it by email or contact CRRL staff via chat at librarypoint.org/contact. Chat is available Monday through Saturday 9 to 5, Sunday 1 to 5.
Let's chat about summer reading.
Log in and activate your account by selecting the program for this year. And for kids and teens, verifying school, grade, and age. That's it. You're signed up for summer reading. Now, if you're new to summer reading or need to create a new account, click on Register. There are 3 types of accounts. One for individuals, called Myself, one for families, called Myself and Children, and one for daycare and other groups, called My Group. Let's create an account for a family. Click on Myself and Children. You will create children's accounts after creating your own. As you create your account, note that some screens include a Go Back button for returning to the previous screen.
Go back.
Don't use your browser's back button, as this will cause you to lose progress. Choose your age category. Choose your reading program.
What you reading?
Click Continue. Enter your first and last name, email address, and local library branch. Note that if you choose the teen reading program, you'll also be prompted for the name of your school and your grade.
Summer reading.
Create your username and a password, at least 7 characters long, containing at least 1 letter and 1 number.
Summer reading.
Now register children. Enter the child's age and reading program and click Continue. For each child, you will enter their first and last name, local library branch, school name, and grade. Children's accounts do not require their own username and password, but you can create these if you wish. To add additional children, click Continue. Otherwise, click Done Adding Children.
Oh, I'm done adding children.
You're all set. You've registered for summer reading and earned your first badge.
Oh, sign up for summer reading and earn your first badge.